from Eagle City. First, Ginidano po. Ginidano? Ay, wala po. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo to the silver medalist. Congratulations to Jasper Gonzalez from Cagayan de Oro. Wala rin po, Mr. Jasper. Wala po, okay. Let's proceed na po tayo sa last one, sa champion po. Gold medalist. School. Anthony Dano. From Cebu. Ayan na po, meron na po representative po. Okay, so your photos. Okay, so let's proceed po tayo ulit po dito sa okay, so group naman po, no? Okay, wala po tayong bronze medalist for 50 to 64 age po. Let's proceed na po tayo sa silver medalist for team from 50 to 64 years old. Okay, for silver medalist, congratulations to Team Maguindanao. Okay, consistent po of Miss Amera Omar and Tali Tiboro po. Silver medalist. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo. Gold medalist, congratulations to Team Pangasinan. Consists of Julio Edgar and Austria Jenny. Okay po, alright, so congratulations to the winners of the 50 to 64 age category. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo to the individual award for 65 and above category. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Fabian Hugo. Okay, so let's proceed po tayo to our silver medalist. Congratulations to Raul Damoy. And to our gold medalist, congratulations to International Master Chris Remayran. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo for King Award for 65 years old and above. Isa lang po ang eligible lang po. Okay, for gold medalist na po tayo mag-proceed. Congratulations to Team Pasig. Consists of Raul Damoy and International Master Chris Remayran. Okay, for the National Games women, please stand by. Alright, so let's proceed na po tayo with the women division of Philippine National Games. individual category. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Maria Eliza Villa. Okay, so last pasin po tayo. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Sherry Ann Mejia. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Kylie Joy Mortido. Alright, for the team category, for wounded division, to our bronze medalists, congratulations to Team Baguio, consists of Angelina Gamas and Bea Mendoza. Okay, so let's proceed. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Team Dasmariñas, consists of Jeremy A. San Diego and Kylie Joy Mortido. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Mandaluyong, consists of Francois Marie Magdini and Maria Capuli. Philippine National Games, next division, kind standby for individual category. Alright, congratulations to all the winners. Okay, let's proceed to the men's division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Champion Luis Rui. Okay, to our silver medalists, congratulations to Nessie Ars Medalist. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to International Master Michael Coach. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Agusan de Notre Dame, consists of Renz Rayer Uza and Arnold Jordi Muda.
Ayun po, yun rin pa, yung
Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo to our silver medalists. Congratulations to Team Bayak City, consists of Yalmar Talahay Quazon and Younger Luis Rui. To our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Dasmariñas, consists of International Master Daniel Quezon and International Master Michael Coach.
Ayan,
coordinator na po tayo. Prepare na. Okay, so congratulations po to all the winners of the Philippine National Games Kids category. We are now proceeding to the winners of the backup people. Okay, so presenta tayo with under 9 girls individual category. Okay, to our bronze medalists, congratulations to Barbosa Miss Valerie. Okay, so to our silver medalists, congratulations to Kana Catherine Ventolero. Alright, so to our gold medalists, congratulations to Irene K. Moneva. In category girls, please stand by. Okay, so let's proceed to the team category of under 9 girls. To our medalists, congratulations to Team Bulacan. Consists of El Pasito and Faith Louise Broba. So let's proceed to the silver medalists. Congratulations to Team City of Zamboanga. Consists of Gasha Aina Salikala and Kana Catherine Ventolero. Okay, so let's proceed to our gold medalists. Congratulations to Team City of Cagayan de Oro. Consists of Alea Christine Francisco and Irene Kate Moneva. Under 9 boys, this present lang, prepared, individual category. Okay, congratulations to the under 9 winners, under 9 girls winners. Okay, let's proceed na po tayo with under 9 male. Individual category. Okay, so to our bronze medalists, congratulations to Marcos Luis Macotina. Alright, so let's proceed to our silver medalists. Congratulations to Mark Tudor. Okay, number 1 na po niya. Okay. Alright, and to our gold medalists, congratulations to Danny Seth Romualdez. Okay po, so let's proceed na po tayo to the team category. Okay, for photos po. Alright, so let's proceed to the team category of under 9 boys division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Team Pasig, consists of Margel Junior Soria and Andreset Romualdez. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo to our silver medalists. Congratulations to Team Taguig. consists of Caleb Lucas, Kakashi Kadik, and Caleb Garcia.
Nagsuot na nila ang mga medal na ako, kitasuot na sila.
And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Carao. This is all gold medals, okay? Under 11 girls, stand by. Congratulations to Ana Segara. Okay, so let's proceed to tayo with each category of under 11 girls. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Team City of Mangrabe, consists of Rhea Tunangao and Michael Cadenas. Okay, to our silver medalists, congratulations to Team Misamis Oriental, consists of Rena Dalagan and Janine Ray Kere. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team City of Cagayan de Oro, consists of Mary Janelle Tan and Churchill Gabe Galiana. Under 11 boys, stand by. Alright, so let's proceed na po tayo with under 11 boys division. So our bronze medalists, congratulations to John Calvin Travis. Okay. To our silver medalist, congratulations to David Francis Modesto. And to our gold medalist, congratulations to Ralph Demiho. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Island Garden Saman, consists of Royal James Yap and Ralph Yame David Moore. Alright, so let's proceed tayo with the silver medalists. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Team Carao, consists of Kyle Sander Balaw and Joash Alton Jr. Michael Jermel Laban and John Cabot Agustamis. Stand by. Alright, so let's proceed na po tayo with 13 girls division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Franiel Angela Magpili. Okay, to our silver medalists, congratulations to Jamaica Mendoza. Congratulations to Apple Rubino. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Province o Iloilo, consists of Jennifer Gordillo and Diana Angela Sotarito. So our silver medalist, congratulations to City of Dasmariñas, consists of Shaul Papelitan and Jamaica Mendoza. And to our gold medalist, congratulations to the City of Toledo, consists of Bernard J. Ruby and Apple Ruby. Under 30 mil, stand by. Let's proceed to the under 13 male. Okay, to our bronze medalists, congratulations to David Sean Romualdez. Okay po, let's proceed na po tayo. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Kim Adrian Pilar. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Mar Abiel Caledo. Okay, so let's proceed to our team category. Okay, to our bronze medalists, congratulations to Eve Imus, John Mark Anana, and Christian Tolosa. Okay, so let's proceed. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Eve Husky, consists of Summer Justin Oncita and Gavin Sean Romualdez. So alright, so let's proceed. And to our medalists, congratulations to Eve Casiparinas, consists of Phil Martin Casiguran and Mar Abiel Carredo.
That's what he got.
Under movement girls, stand by. Alright, so let's proceed to full time with under 15 girls division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Ali Jean Ong. Editor. And to our gold medalist, congratulations to Ruel Canino. Team category, stand by. Alright, so proceed na po tayo. So team category, to our bronze medalist, congratulations to Nissan Oriental, consists of LG Ketubi and Ketubi. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so two silver medalists, congratulations to City of Cebu, consists of Clyde Janine Rodrigo and Maria Christine Labandero. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to City of General Trias, consists of Jacob Floridin Codillo and Bujur Phil Suyami. Under Bujur Phil, stand by. Okay, so let's proceed na po tayo with under 15 male division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Chester Acuyo. Okay, to our silver medalists, congratulations to Vincent Dumayuga. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Christian Giancarlo Arca. Team category, stand by. So let's proceed in team category under 15 male division. Right, to our bronze medalists, congratulations to Andrew James Toledo and congratulations to Team Pasig, consists of Andrew James Toledo and Adrian Ryan Paraneto. Okay, so let's proceed. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Team Tanawan, consists of Clifford Porchnoy Molinyawe and Vladimir Chester Romero. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Emus, consists of Ethan Jack Marta and Tyron James Tabernilia. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Kate Nicole Ortizo.
From Brazil!
Okay, next, to our silver medalists, congratulations to Samantha O'Brien. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Francesca Largo. Team category of under 17 girls, stand by.
Sila sa niyo!
Alright, so let's proceed na tayo with the team category of under 17 girls. So our bronze medalists, congratulations to Team Misamis Oriental, consists of Kayla Dalagan and Sara Dalagan. Okay, so let's meet our silver medalists. Congratulations to Team City of Mantanuyo, consists of Francine Elaine Magpili and Antonella Bert Racasa.
Second and third of course number 1 is
And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Quezon City, consists of Nicole Ortizo and Samantha Unay. Under 17 here, stand by. Alright, so congratulations. Let's proceed with the under 17 male division. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Mark J. Baco. Okay, so to our silver medalists, congratulations to Lawrence Batislao. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to David Ray Ancheta. Okay, so team category of under 17 boys, stand by. Alright, so let's proceed na po tayo with team category. To our bronze medalists, congratulations to Team Cavite Province, consists of Josie Estrella and Del Emerson de la Cruz. Okay, so let's proceed. To our silver medalists, congratulations to Team Quezon City, consists of Richie James Abeleda and Jerry's John Bellard. And to our gold medalists, congratulations to Team Negros Oriental, consists of Michael John Stephen Igo and Lance Nathaniel Orlina.